Okay, we're heading out to the ocean, ladies and gentlemen. The summer of 100 beaches has left the beach. You like riding in a boat, Sophia? Yeah?
I love the boat.
Yeah.
Very peaceful. If the water is calm.
The water is calm, yeah. Well, it doesn't get any calmer than this. It's like glass out there. Does anybody water ski out here? Where's that bird's nest? Oh, there it is. Look at the bird up in that. There's a bird straight ahead. Straight across. Okay.
Oh, that's
very private. If there's somebody there, the kind of the unwritten rule is don't land. So it's only a one party kind of situation there.
So you can camp on this island.
You can
This
camp
little
on
hunk
the
of-
side. You can camp on.
And that's the beach right there in
That's
front?
the beach right there. It's tiny, but it's
Tiny, yeah.
very doable for
good swimming.
good swim. It's very good swim right there. Although
This beach gets
even though I brought Phil out here, Phil was swimming over here. He wouldn't go. Yeah, he swam across over there, but he would not go near the seaweed. He's freaked out about seaweed.
Oh, yeah?
Something about seaweed to him is like he couldn't go near it. I said, "Oh, it's just seaweed. Just push it out of the way."
Yeah.
But the camping spot now is, you see where that big rock is over there?
Yeah.
You see where those cairns are, where they've got
Yeah,
the-
oh yeah.
It's a flat spot right in between those cairns and that big rock.
And you pitch your tent there.
Yeah, there's a nice flat area. It's smooth. It's kind of sandy, I guess you'd say.
So Sophia, you had your 40th birthday party on this island?
Oh, yeah, we love
It's one of our
Yeah.
favorite spots to come to.
Do other people, do you get here and other people are already here?
We have had that problem, but it's not a big. It's happened a few times, but we have alternative places if this is not available.
What a place. I'd love to wake up in the morning here. Look, poke your head out of the tent. Wonder how the hell did I get here? Of course, I do that a lot anyway. How the hell did I find myself in this situation? I love it. I love it. Where's your favorite cove?
My favorite cove?
Yeah,
Oh my God, I don't know.
all of them.
So many of them.
This is kind of like a lake.
Well, right here.
This,
It gets more like you go
And
way
you go
down
in.
there.
yeah.
That's why we're not headed that way, because it gets free. What?
We got some oyster farming going on here. Snow Island oysters. Are these good oysters, Sophia?
Yes, delicious.
Delicious?
What's up?
Where?
You can get them in a couple of different, I mean, they sell
Yeah.
them to all the different eateries. When we were in Portland last night,
Yeah.
Washington Avenue, where all those people were, they had
Yeah.
a couple good raw bars, and they sell there. But there is another company called the Eider Oyster Company that is really good as well on the New Meadows River. There.
Oysters. Give me clams. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it really is fun.
Kind of see it there.
Yeah.
Sent signals or something.
Is there any good rub in town?
There's a new phase here. Black houses.
Oh, yeah.
This guy made his house black.
Why is that?
I don't know.
For the heat?
They think it's, yeah, I think it's bad. I think it's gonna, the little narrow houses are all flat too. They look stupid, but other people think they look modern and trendy. But there's the narrow house.
Where are these people? Oh yeah, look at that narrow house.
That's
Wow.
the one that's $700 a night.
Oh, it's an Airbnb at $700 a night. Probably can't even see it on this video.
Probably
I can
not.
get a little closer.
Hey, coming right over here.
So this narrow house in the middle of this frame is an Airbnb for $700 a night.
Turn the boat pretty strong.
Okay.
Let me turn it
Down.
around here.
All right.
You ready?
I'm ready. That's how I do with my car when it snows in Boston. To make a U-turn. Step on the gas, spin the wheel, and come in sideways. Pick the vehicle up.
Okay, we'll do the same film.
Yeah. This is, let's put on a clinic here. Sophia, you got this?
Oh, of course. I like to get a little closer.
Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Did you see that catch?
He lassoed
The stern. The cleat. Oh boy, Russell, you were.
he lassos the cleat.
Ooh.